Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku of today, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here a 9 in the first column, a 9 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be here. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 9. I see there a 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. I see there a 9, so no 9 in this box. One box remains for the 9 should be this one. Then a 2 in this row. A 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then in this big square, the three missing numbers are 1, 4, and 7. I see here 1, so no 1 in this box. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row. 1 in the low row below. So in the last row, the only two places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for 1 is here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only three places for 1 is here, here, or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. I see there 1, so no 1 here. Only place for the 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Alright, we will continue with this big square. The two boxes left are for the numbers 4 and 7. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then 4 in this column, a 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only three places for a 4 is here, here, or there. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. I see over there also a 4, so no 4 here. Only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then, the 6. Let me see. Yes, the 6. In this column, two boxes left for the number 6 and 8. I see here a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then in the first column, 4 missing boxes. One of the missing box is a 6. I see here 6. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for a 6 is here, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. I see there 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, and 8. I see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes, so the 3 should be here. We have a 7 and 8, 7 and 8 as a pair. Same like in the first column, 7 and 8 and 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. 7 and 8, 7 and 8, that means 1 box left for this row. This must be a number 5, right? Then in this big square, in this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 2, 8, and 9. 2, 8, and 9. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the only place for the 2 should be here. We have a pair 8 and 9, 8 and 9. But I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 missing box in this row for the number 3. Then two, 3, okay. Let me see. Not easy. I see we have a pair here. We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row. So in the third row, one of these 2 must be a 4. The same story with the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be one of these 2. So we have 4 and 5, 4 and 5. That means these 3 empty boxes for this row are for the numbers 3 7 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in this box. I see there 9, so no 9 in this box. Only place for the 9 should be here. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 9 in the second row, 9 in the third row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Now, in the first row, one of the missing numbers, we have 4 empty boxes. One of the numbers is a 2. Missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here or could be there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only two places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 2 is here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 7 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then these 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. I see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes here. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between, the only two places for a 3 is here or there. I see here already a 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between, the only two places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here a 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. I see here 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row. It's a pair, 4 and 5. I see here 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 7, and I cannot fill the 8 and the 7. I need to wait, need more information. 1 box is left for this row for the number 7. 1 box is left, 1 number left for the first column for the number 8. 1 box is left for this big square for the number 7. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 box is left for the second column for number 8. 1 box left for this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the number 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we finish this in 15 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file if you want to solve it by yourself. Anyway, have fun with it, and I will see you later with the killer Sudoku, the final one of today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.